So today we're going to bring a cobalt, and we got a spatula here. Nice, beautiful stainless steel spatula. So check this out. When the working spatula holds up, because I need it right now. I like the handle of it. Has a little hole so you can hang it. So we're going to use it and then we're going to clean it up. We're going to remove these and we're going to patch them up. So we got to get rid of them and patch up the holes and have it running, baby, by tomorrow. Dry it up and then sand it. Just patch it up. So out of the box, the actual knife is really sharp, so just be careful. I actually use it to open boxes with it. That's how good it is now. When you could see a good quality of it, when you actually run it through a rag and just clean it up. I mean, I didn't even have to use any water to clean this up. Now, the spatula is very strong, durable, perfect for either this kind of projects, or also another great thing I use it for is my 3D printing machine, where I remove the actual 3D prints with this spatula. So hope you guys enjoy this video.